Hey guys, it's Blake here, and now I'm going to be doing the unboxing, so let's go inside and do it. Okay, now we're in here, so I just got to put this up against things so you can see it. Now, I'll put it up okay, so here they are right here. And they have cushioned over-ear design, stereo sound with deep bass, 3.5mm auxiliary connection, and they're compatible with all devices. Okay, now let's open them. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to tell you, they're DJ style headphones. Oh, I'm sorry, I meant to say they're DJ style headphones. And I mean, cause I'm saying it again, cause I'm not sure like if you heard me, cause I was like backing away from the camera, so like I'm not sure if you could hear me good like then. So well, yeah, that's all. Okay, now we're gonna be unboxing them. Gotta get this off. Okay, and I got some of it off now, but not all of it. But not all of it yet. Sorry, my voice accidentally made it sound that way. Well, okay, I'm just gonna, just freaking rip it.
This is the operator. I have an emergency call coming in on this line. Hello? Hello? Is there anyone on this line?
Hey,
Hello?
This is my papa right here.
Hello there. How you doing? I'm the emergency call. What did you get them at?
Nana gave me.
Nana?
She got them for me. Yeah.
I'm spoiling you worse than you are.
And this is what the headphones look like.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Good looking headsets.
Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video now and listen to some music with the headphones on. Oh yeah. Oh sorry. I had some stuff in my throat. Alright. I'm gonna listen to some music with them on and some YouTube videos too. So yeah, bye. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. And oh yeah, please like the other video I did like before this one. And please subscribe to my channel. Like I'm saying that for the one the video before this one, cause I forgot to say it. So yeah, bye. Please do it. I really need it. Thank you. Bye.